Okay, here we are with the Emerson Clock Radio. Now, here's the back. See, it's got an auxiliary input. And it sets itself. Now, I'm going to come back and we're going to test out the radio first. This is the radio. It's pretty loud. It auto scans. So let's go to one of my favorite channels. Okay, let's turn that off before we get demonetized. Now to test the sound quality, I'm going to come back and we're going to hook it up to my tablet. Okay, we're back in. So I got it hooked up on the back to my tablet. So we're going to turn it on to this mode. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back and we're going to play some non-copyrighted music. Peace out later, and I'll be back with you in a sec. Okay, we're back in. Now I got it all queued up. This is the one we're going to play. So here we go. Hold on, my tablet's really slow. So it's on aux. Okay, there it went. This thing's got mad bass. And come on, you stupid music. Okay, let's try a different one. Is this one going to play? Okay, here we go. So here's the sound quality. So there was the sound quality. Here we go. We're going to kick it up to max volume. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just there, cause the flames will burn us both. You were the one for me. That's the sound quality. It's amazing. And here's the back. See, I got it hooked to a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. It also will charge. Let me get my tablet real quick. See that? You see that? It is charging. Giggity. Now here's another song. I just tapped on another song on the tablet. This is non-copyrighted, so I don't know if you can hear the bass, but it's there. This is amazing. Okay, turning off. Let me know what you think, you guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.